This video recording provides the steps to be followed to secure APIs using client certificate authentication and API management. Legal disclaimer. These materials and information are provided by Translated Biopharma as is any party using or relying on this information, and these materials do so entirely at their own risk. Neither Translate nor its members will bear any responsibility or liability for any harm, including indirect or consequential harm, that a user may incur from use or misuse of this information. This recording covers the below steps. Securing APIs using client certificates. Secure APIs using client certificate authentication and API management. In this step, generate certificate to enable certificate authentication on API management. Local system, execute the PowerShell command to create the client certificate. Open the PowerShell. And execute this command. This command creates the self-signed certificate and stored it on local certificate store. The certificate has been generated successfully. Now export the certificate from the local machine certificate store MMC Snap-in. In Windows, search and select MMC. Go to File, Add or Remove Snap-in. Select the certificates. Click on Add and click on OK. Go to Personal. Click on Certificates. Select the client certificate. Right click and go to All Tasks. Export the certificate with private key. Provide the password and save it for later use. Now the certificate export was successful. The next step is to upload the certificate to API management. Log into Azure portal. The user should have contributor level of access on application resource group to configure API management. Go to API management instance in the application resource group. Go to certificates blade. Go to certificates and click on add. Provide ID. Click on custom. Select the certificate and provide the password. Click on add. Now the certificate is uploaded successfully. The final step is to add inbound policy for certificate validation. Now in the API management instance, select APIs blade, select API endpoint, select all operations and click on inbound processing policies and add the policy script. Copy the policy in this guide. Replace the default inbound policy. Provide the backend app service URL. Provide the API management URL. Provide the front-end URL. Click on save. This policy validates the client certificate. Now the SDR APIs are secured with client authentication successfully.